So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I am going to review Hyundai Venue S variant, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's get started. Now let's talk about the engine specification of this car. It does have 1197cc of engine which produces power of 81.86 bhp at 6000 rpm and produces torque of 113.76 Newton meter at 4000 rpm. It is front wheel drive and having 5-speed gearbox. Now as you can see in the video, there is a turn indicator on the upper side as well as on the lower side of the turn indicator there is a halogen light, and this is the wide grille of the car in which Hyundai is written just on the center of that grille. You can see in the video. Now let's talk about the tire size of the car. It does have 195 by 65 tire, are 15 inches of wheel, which also have a cover. This is S variant, so in S variant you cannot get alloy wheels. This is turn indicators which are automatic foldable turn indicators, and these are the door handles of the car which are of the car's color. This is the roof rail of the car. As you can see in the video, the roof rail of the car is of silver color. The overall fuel tank capacity of this car is 45 liters. Now let's get to the back side of this car. So now come to the back side of the car. This is the normal brake light of the car, as well as on the right side of the brake light there is Hyundai, and just below the Hyundai Venue is written in capital bold letters. There is no option for wiper. There is only defogger as well as a power antenna on the roof of the car. So this is the rear view of the car. As you can see in the video, the sensor are just below the number plate of the car. Now let's come to the right side of the car, right back side. So this is the these are the reflectors, as well as on the just above the reflector there are total 4 sensors in the car, rear side of the car. There is no camera available in this variant. Now let's talk about the right side of the car. These are the door handles of the car, rear door handle as well as the front door handle. This door handle does not have chrome finishing because this is S variant, and the chrome finishing comes in SX variant, SX optional, and in other variants. And the door handles are of the same color as of the body of the car. So, and this is the side mirror of the car, as well as just below the side mirror you can see an indicator, right indicator. Now let's get inside of the car. First unlock this car. This is the key of the car, which comes with a lock unlock option and to open the boot of the car. Now let's get inside of this car. Let's open the gate door. So as you can see in the left side there is a button to open or close the window. This is the interior view of the car. So these are the blowers of the car. Now let's open the dashboard. Now let's open the glove space of the car. And this is much more spacious. Now this is the infotainment of this car. It does not have touchscreen infotainment system. It does not have Bluelink connectivity. It does have only Bluetooth, which through which you can connect your phone. This is a steering wheel. In the steering wheel you can see there are too many buttons to increase the volume, to decrease. It does not come with cruise control. It does not have automatic climate control. This is the left passenger airbag, and this is the view mirror. Here you can put a receipt. This is the front dashboard of the car, as well as airbag is there are total 2 airbags on the left passenger door. This is the rear view of the car. There is no armrest or cup holders on the rear side. There is as well rear AC vents on the car. Now let's open the boot of the car. The total boot space of this car is 350 liters. This is the spare wheel as well as the toolkit to open the wheel. This is the light. Now let's close the boot and let's talk about the dimension of this car. The overall length of this car is 3.9 meter. Overall width of this car is 1.7 meter. Overall height of this car is 1.6 meter, and the total ground clearance of this car is 190 mm. Now let's compare this model with the SX variant. In SX variant you can see the alloy wheels, as well as in this variant there is no alloy wheel option. In S variant you can see our rear wiper, but in this model there is no rear wiper. There is no front LED option in S variant, whereas in SX variant you can get a LED, front LED as well as a rear tail light LEDs. This is the view of the car. For safety features in this car S variant you can get ABS as well as EBD in this model. If you like my video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.